when it's not in first. And then...
Pressure. And then just a little adjust.
Here we go. Here.
Push it out here.
What?
This one's ready. What we'll do is if you guys push out.
Hi.
Hello. That way, you paddle back, you get the wind. Yeah. I went out there on Thursday.
Just keep paddling. Just keep swimming. Keep going. We're about to hit. Oh. And we hit. We just kayaked 2 miles.
Again, guys, watch your step. The rocks are slippery.
What?
And right here where I'm leaving you guys is a big rock to step off to help get yourself up on the boat. I'm going to put myself down and then I'll come back and help you out if you need a hand.
Turn off. Yeah, right here.
I think that's what he said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Hi, I'm Kahi. Nice to meet you.
I'm very glad you're here.
My bag is there. Again, guys, get started on the bug spray. Take off my cameras from here on up. Again, taking pictures of half my.
Careful.
The new virus.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
He has some on too. Oh, I'm so muddy.
That's the only way.
To bring it.
It's just. I should have just gone barefoot.
Be a good one. Let it get one.
See, at least you can wipe that off. Just wash it off.
Hey, so right here, I guess you can consider this like your free spa treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Mud bath.
I gotta get a
Now I'm
head.
hoping that you're going to tell me it's one of those places that they talk about.
No, you're safe. There's only a couple plants here that are poisonous if you rub it against your skin a lot.
Yeah, if you rub it against your skin a lot.
Yeah, like a good example. Mangoes.
Mangoes, the sap.
The
Yeah.
sap, well, the leaves too. They're cousins to poison oak, yeah?
Yeah.
And, you know, I come across a couple of people who've been hiking on trails and they wind up wanting to use that to, like, to wipe themselves after they found a leaky leaky, which is not the best idea.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
I did.
Their butts would be sore for a while.
Fire. Right, go to the big boulder, wait for me and the rest
Wash
of
my
you to catch
feet.
up. Hey Trev, let's talk about a big boulder. Dude, find it.
Right, man, I should definitely stop and talk about it. Anyway, no worries.
Landed on this.
Oh, I already got it.
I'm like a cat.
Yeah, his booty's already.
That's really mud. Don't make any comment.
What?
Yeah, right. Don't want to hear it.
It might be brown, but it's mud.
That was a little shitty fall.
Yeah, that
Literally. It was a shitty fall.
Yeah, my group will step off to the side and just get back.
Oh, I'm so muddy. Mud here, mud down there. No one else wanted to swim but me. Kirby and Melissa's. That's so pretty. Any Clippers fans? Okay, now. What's his name?
Johnny, maybe?
What was his name? Name the Clippers starter. Can't remember his name. That hurts so bad and it's so cold. My shoulders hurt because it like hits you like rain. But it's fun. It's freezing. The little mountain mouse eating the crumbs. How cute. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty, Miles? It hurts when you go under it so bad. It's like needles. I didn't stay under it that long. But you want to get close to the rock because it hurt. Alright, now we're going back in the mud. My feet are clean. I'm leaving my shorts off. Hiking my bikini. On our way back.
Get my feet in the river before we get back to the kayak.
Wait for them as well. Yeah, I'm gonna get my feet in the river so I don't get it muddy. They're clean a little bit.
Well, we'll get the...
And I'm muddy again. Didn't last long. Woo! Oh.
So if that camera winds up in the mud. Again.
Yeah. Oh.
Keep going.
Can you go with that? I'm waiting for that. Look. Oh. Oh, it's seeping in my shoes. Awesome. Back at the boat. Going to kayak back up, and the waterproof camera's done. So I won't record that. Back at the river.
So Mike, you guys are welcome to paddle back in whatever pace you want. Keep in mind, we're all gonna wait for everyone.
We're going to the Luau. Miles has got his fancy shirt on. They got their fancy shirts on, and I got a dress.
Hello?
I'm gonna get laid.
All right.
Twice in 1 week?
Been waiting on that all day. What does not belong on that table?
Oh, there's a tennis.
See how quick I am?
That's very good.
I've already tried it. I'm never touching that stuff again.
No, try play.
I have to record, yeah.
Oh,
You're
hi.
on YouTube now.
Oh, hello YouTube.
Yeah.
Aloha.
We're gonna get our pictures taken. I'm gonna look so white next to them.
The sounding of the conch shell and the beating of the drums herald the start of this evening's luau.
It was a time of great voyages. My memory is long. It also was a time of tears, saying goodbye to my daughter.